This is OnePlus Nord 3 and today I will show how you can install the Opera browser on this device. So to start, you will need to make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Google Play Store, sign into your Google account if you haven't already, then input the Opera query at the search bar. Then you can either initiate the Opera installation directly from the search results or open its app info page and, well, tap at the install button over there. It doesn't really matter which route you'll go for since they will provide you with practically an identical result. Then launch the app once it is ready, and while opening Opera for the first time, it is required that you perform a very simple setup. So tap at the blue continue button first, then decide if you would like to enable notifications from the start, or you can skip the step. The same can be said about setting Opera as your default browser app. And at this final stage, you can either customize the data collection preferences or simply allow everything that Opera is asking for and start using it. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.